Hi kiddos, educators and music astronauts. 2 ways to play the E minor chord. Which one is the right? There is a big discussion out there. Let's dive into the world of music adventure. As a teacher and captain for guitar over 10 years, here is my take. First up, the classical method. Index finger on the A string, middle on the D string. Simple, right? It's like the basic toolkit for guitarists. Easy to remember and natural to play. Plus, it makes transition to chords like the A minor chord or the C major chord super smooth. Now let's level up. Use the middle finger on the A string and your ring finger on the D string. This method frees up your index finger for faster movements into chords like the G or the D chord. Perfect for rocking those big progressions. Let's compare. Classic method on the left, alternative on the right. Which feels better? It depends on what's next in your song. Try both and see what clicks. So there is no wrong way to do it, kiddos. Music is about finding out what works best for you. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments or show me your playing. For more tips, tricks and musical fun, hit subscribe. Let's explore the world of music together. And if you are ready to take your ukulele and guitar skills to the next level, check out Harmony City, where learning chords becomes an exciting adventure. See you soon, music astronauts!